And with that, he'll bundle up all the questions and the answers, all that he has read, and put it out. It's gone. Because now he's living now. If you're drinking mango juice, would you ask, how does it taste like? If you're living, would you ask questions like, what is life, purpose of life, meaning of life, what is God, who is God? All things are gone. You're living. And when you're living, it's all over. You're only witnessing life. It's all happening automatically. Everything is beautiful. You can play tennis very beautifully. You can do all activity. Everything is the same. Your job is the same. Your business is the same. The house is the same. The wife is the same. The children are the same. But then they all look different because the mind is no more interfering. You are in paradise. You're exactly in paradise. So now, who are you then? Who is Deepak? Who is now not his thoughts, who is not his body, who is not his mind? All poor Deepak has lost everything. He's a total pauper. There's nothing with him now. Who is he then? That Deepak, poor Deepak, he has lost his thoughts, he has lost his mind, he has lost his body, he has lost all control, all things are automatic. But yet we are saying Deepak is seeing his thoughts, Deepak is seeing his mind. Now, Deepak is gone, the concept is gone because he has lost everything. He cannot claim anything to be his, but he is witnessing. Therefore, Deepak exists, but not as a Deepak he thought. Therefore, Deepak is existence or Sata. Then, Deepak is able to experience it. For that, he needs consciousness. First of all, Deepak is existing there. So he is Satta, he is existence. Not as a small Deepak, but as existence. But then he is able to experience the tree, the leaf shaking. The leaf shakes and the whole universe is shaking for him. He is thrilled at it. He is Chitta. There is no exact translation in the English language for that. It is consciousness intelligence. He is Chitta. He is able to perceive. No, he needs intelligence to perceive. And then he is in great joy, Ananda. He is nothing but Satchitananda. Who is Deepak? He is existence, consciousness, bliss. If we were to use the English words, but the more exact words would be Satchitananda. But since we also use Brahman to say it has got no qualities, the Brahman with qualities is called Parabrahma. So he is nothing but Satchitananda Parabrahma. That Deepak is gone. He is dead and he is gone. He is finished. That Deepak who identified himself with thought, with mind, with body and thought he was doing, he is gone. Now this is not Deepak there. What is there is Satchidananda Parabrahma. He is witnessing, he is experiencing, he is in bliss, he is in the present, he is the presence, he is Amma Bhagavan, he is God himself. That's all. It's all over. When he is God himself, we ask, is there a God? Who is God? What is God? When Christ was worshipping God, you are saying, my Father in heaven. Then afterwards, what did Christ say? I and my Father are one. Whatever God you worship, of course you can see your God inside and outside. That's only the initial stages. But as you grow, the strangest paradox is, whatever God you worship, you become that God. That's the paradox of this universe. And every mystic would discover this on his mystical journey. That's why the language changes later on. Now, I'm going to program them now. Then afterwards, they must keep repeating what I'm going to tell for 49 minutes.
जय बोलो श्री अम्मा भगवान की। तो अभी श्री भगवान का दर्शन होने वाला है हम सभी को। आप सभी दोनों हाथ सिर के ऊपर रख के पूरा श्रद्धा भक्ति से पहले अम्मा भगवान की आरती करेंगे, उसके बाद भजन करेंगे और उसके बाद श्री भगवान हमको कुछ साधना देंगे। सभी यहीं पर बैठना है, कोई भी जाना नहीं, कोई भी भक्त खड़े रहना नहीं, कृपया से बैठ के ही इसमें भाग लीजिएगा।
ओम सच्चिदानंद परब्रह्म पुरुषोत्तम परमात्मा श्री भगवती समेत श्री भगवते नमः श्री भगवती समेत श्री भगवते नमः श्री भगवते नमः
देव माझा विठू सावळा, देव माझा विठू सावळा, माळत्याची माझी आगळा, माळत्याची माझी आगळा, देव माझा विठू सावळा, देव माझा विठू सावळा, साजी रे रूप सुंदर, कटी झळके पितांबर, साजी रे रूप सुंदर, कटी झळके पितांबर, कंठात तुळशीची माळ, कंठात तुळशीची माळ, कस्तुरी टिळा, देव माझा विठू सावळा, देव माझा विठू सावळा, माळत्याची माझी आगळा, माळत्याची माझी आगळा, देव माझा विठू सावळा, देव माझा विठू सावळा, विठुरा हे पंढरपुरी, वैकुंठच हे भुवरी, विठुरा हे पंढरपुरी, वैकुंठच हे भुवरी, भीमेच्या काठी फुले भक्तीचा मळा, भीमेच्या काठी फुले भक्तीचा मळा, देव माझा विठू सावळा, देव माझा विठू सावळा.
जय बोला माँ भगवान की
जय.
मुक्तेश्वर माँ भगवान